Hare Krishna. Janmate mai asau papo ma vidyan madhusudana samudvijay bhavadhetoho kamsadaham adhiradihi. Oh Madhusudana, because of your appearance, I am becoming more and more anxious and fear of Kamsa. Therefore, please arrange for that sinful Kamsa to be unable to understand that you have taken birth from my womb. So, this is our coming out of Vatsala Bhava. कितना भाव है? माधुर्य रसा, वात्सल्य रसा, साख्या, dasya and shanta. This is Vatsala rasa. And in Vatsala rasa, there is some kind of feeling of protection. मैं इसका सुरक्षा कर रहा है. Otherwise Vatsala rasa will not work. Mother feels she has to protect the child. She belongs to Mathura and then later Dwaraka. She is not Vrindavan Vasi. In Vrindavan, totally they are in the mood of protection. In Mathura and Dwarka, there is some mix of appreciation of his power. They are aware he is God. In Vrindavan, that is totally covered by Yogamaya. Like Mother Yashoda takes the sticks and runs. Devaki will not do that. Therefore, even Devaki, even Kunti appreciates that. Correct? Even she appreciates the meditation of Mother Yashoda. She says, Krishna, bhiyati yad bhiveti. Even fear personified is scared of Krishna. But Krishna is scared of Mother Yashoda. He is, he is breathing. What are the lines? Moho shvashakam patri rekanka kanta Sita greva damodaram bhakti bhajam Iti diksa lila bhi ananda kunde Swagosham nimajjantam akyapayan. But I mixed two verses. So, what is happening is he is, swasha, kampa. He is fear, he is breathing in fear. And kampa, the body is shaking in fear. Haath pair kaap rahe. Mother Yashoda. That she can only appreciate. That they cannot come to that platform. She can appreciate that intense love of Mother Yashoda. She is more advanced devotee. So therefore she had the privilege. And by Yogamaya's arrangement, Krishna also forget he is the Supreme Lord. Otherwise he cannot enjoy that Leela. How can he artificially shake in fear? No. Yogamaya makes him forget also. And we enjoy that rasa, the love of Mother Yashoda. Okay, so that therefore we say Yashoda Nandana. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari and Yashoda Nandana. Among all the Nandana, Devaki Nandana, he is Yashoda Nandana. The pleasure is more in Yashoda Nandana for Krishna. But to intense devotion. So therefore, same way we are offering service, any service, we should see we are doing with devotion. Then it is more pleasing to Krishna. Just doing service is not important. Doing it proper devotion, proper care, attention. When it is done with devotion, the service is also done very, very good. Should be very highest quality. Not only we just do, but I do with proper devotion, proper detail. Every day, whenever we do service to Krishna, and next day should improve in quality. The service keep in consciousness, it improves, and quality it improves. That is the spiritual world. Spiritual every day, my love for Krishna is more. Everything is same in the spiritual world. Nobody dies, nobody is born. Mother Yashoda, Krishna comes running to Mother Yashoda. She doesn't get bored. Because every day the love is increasing. Otherwise, same thing. Same thing. Krishna goes out of the house, the boys are waiting, they play together. Same thing. What is changing? The love is enhancing. Take care. So intense, love intensity is increasing. So here we have Devaki, and she is aware Krishna the Supreme Lord. And out of mood of protection, she is requesting Krishna that please, you hide your Narayana form. Because she is feeling, if he sees Narayana form, comes, I'll recognize Vishnu has come and you'll attack him. So there is some kind of mix of feeling. One side she is aware he is Narayana. She is seeing in front of him 400 form. Other side she is also feeling she needs to protect. Narayana doesn't need protection. But because of Vasalya Bhava, she is having some Vasalya with some appreciation. Like friends also are two kind. Friends without aware that of the power of Krishna, and friends which are aware. And friends which are not aware are more intense friends. By Yogamaya's arrangement, they are made to forget everything. Okay. So anyway, these are all long way for us. First platform is Bhagavad Gita, where we understand I am not body, I am a spirit soul. Second chapter, I understand sense gratification is not good for me. I understand different wonderful qualities I have to cultivate to become dear to Krishna. And that's the end of Bhagavad Gita. But then when you come to Bhagavatam, starts talking about relation between the devotees and the Lord. Okay? It gives you a peep in that. And then we read Chaitanya Charitamrita, intense relation between devotee, the intensity. And what is the greatest devotee? Radharani. The whole Chaitanya Charita, the focus on Radharani feeling intense separation from Krishna. That is the whole book. The theme is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to taste three things. And one of the things is, whenever there is an exchange of love between Krishna and Radharani, the Radharani is million times more happy than him. He doesn't know why. I am happy, but she looks to be much more happy. Number two is that Krishna's sweetness is so much. Krishna is so sweet. Radharani is always absorbed in Krishna. He is such a sweet person. Krishna, what is that sweetness in me that she is so wonderstruck all the time? He wants to taste that. Okay. So like that, we know that there is a these books are at different levels, but at least the fundamental level we should be very clear that I am a servant of Krishna and my duty is to engage in service. Once you understand that, then you can slowly come to understand this mood of Devaki. Shri Radha Govinda ki? Because not easy to understand at ABCD platform. Oh, if Krishna is God, then why is there here Devaki praying? Please hide your form. Next stroke I said, so that I can hide you somewhere. Small form you take of a child. So she is playing like that, out of Vasalya Bhava. But whatever prayer she has offered, by that we can know she is understand Krishna as the Supreme Personality of God. We don't have Yashoda any place offering prayers like this. Oh Supreme Brahman, you are beyond the modes of material nature. Nothing like this. He is not in that mood. Correct? She knows. Actually she knows everything. But Yogamaya hides everything from her. She is a devotee. Devotee means she knows everything. She is a Vaishnavi. But Yogamaya, for having the sweet pastime, hides everything. But she is qualified to enter that level of purity and enjoy with the Lord very sweet rasa. And Krishna goes under the protection of Mother Yashoda. Whole world goes under protection of Krishna, and Krishna goes under the protection of Mother Yashoda as a child. Okay. If suppose any monkey comes something, he straight runs to Mother Yashoda out of fear for protection. And she protects him. And she feeling, yes, I'm feeling. Even Nanda Maharaj also feels like that. He has to scold. He keeps scolding. No, you should not do like this. This is not correct. He also feels the same mood of Vasalya Bhava, that he has to guide the child. Child will get spoiled otherwise. Even though every day Krishna kills a big demon, but he is not. Prabhupada says, there is a beautiful chapter in Krishna book called Wonderful Krishna. And it concludes also wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So when Krishna does wonderful activities, he says, yeah, maybe some Devata, that is also not settled, maybe some Devata. And he is offering in that way. Actually he knows he is the Supreme Lord Narayana, but because of Yogamaya he speaks like that. Maybe some Devata. That is also Prabhupada said not settled. But one thing they know, Krishna is wonderful. They just love him. In fact, in Vrindavan, everybody has its own child, but they love Krishna more than their own child. Okay? So this is the unique feature we need to develop. We may be having so many relations, and we are not missing. When Krishna was not there in Vrindavan, the residents of Vrindavan almost died. So much they miss Krishna. But here is our life going on. Do we really miss Krishna? If you give everybody all the facilities of life, there is actually in his heart a great pain. He is missing Krishna. It's a spiritual happiness, not a pain. It's spiritual happiness. At the same time, we have to uncover that platform of the consciousness. We are all missing the Lord. Correct? Is it true or not? Somebody comes to the door, who has come? Why? You are waiting if Krishna has come. Correct, no? You are waiting if Krishna can give one call. One call he can give. We can talk to him. So we are actually, all of us are missing Krishna. In the material world, we are doing all the devotion service. And Prabhupada said that's the business of the Guru, to lift to the platform of feeling intense separation from Krishna. So doing all activities in this world, at the same time feeling intense separation from Krishna, is the platform we need to reach. Okay? That is the highest platform of consciousness. We are doing so many duties in this world, but feeling intense separation from Krishna. And there now Devaki will feel now Krishna will go away, and he's not going to come for 12 years. Correct? 12 years he goes away. He goes to Vrindavan, and she'll only remember him. And only remember, that's all. And she will. And she has to feel. And after that, Krishna will go away from Vrindavan and come to Mathura. Then Vrindavan Vasis will be in separation. But the separation is not material pain. It is the highest happiness. ऐसा हम लोग सोचते हैं क्या है, भगवान राम भी सीता को छोड़ दिए, इधर कृष्ण भी वृंदावन छोड़ दिए, अरे इतना दर्द देते हैं भगवान. वो दर्द नहीं है, सुख है, आध्यात्मिक सुख है. बिकॉज आप सोच तो भगवान के बारे में रहे हो ना. करेक्ट? देयरफॉर इट गिव्स यू इंटेंस हैप्पीनेस. Materially, if you get absorbed like that, it only gives you pain, but spiritually it gives you a lot of happiness. Because we do not understand, we think it is another way. So this is the mood of Devaki, feeling separation from, feeling a mood of protection for Krishna. Okay. So she is aware. She knows how Krishna took birth, came to my heart, and from there he came out. She knows he is the Supreme Lord. And he stood in front of her, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Yashoda did not feel like that. She actually had actually very interesting thing is that Yashoda also gave birth to Krishna and a daughter. And Devaki gave birth to Krishna. And this Vasudeva Krishna, that was Vrindavan Krishna. And this Krishna, when he took, he merged to the body of that Krishna. That is some detail mentioned in other places. And he picked up Yashoda, the child, which was actually Yogamaya. But crossing it became Durga. That he brought was Durga. But it is some details. There are some details. So anyway, the point, our focus should remain that Devaki is aware of the Krishna's position. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And for us now, what do we do? For us, we should know this fortunate position even of Devaki and Yashoda is not easy to get. बहुत जन्म लगेंगे, करोड़ों जन्म तपस्या करने के बाद ये भाग्य मिलेगा to have Krishna as your child. It is not a joke. To get Krishna as a husband, like the gopis or Lakshmis, to get Krishna as a child, we have to become very, very advanced devotee. The many births of sincere service to Krishna, we can achieve this fortune. Correct? It's not a joke. With the punya pumcha, even the boys who are playing with Krishna, Shukadeva Goswami says how much punya they must have done to play with Krishna. So it requires to be very, very sincere to be able to achieve that privilege. It's a very big privilege. Suppose we know some very important person, how much privilege we feel. Suppose somebody in this world personally knows the Prime Minister, he feels great privilege. Suppose you know Krishna, how much privilege it is. And what the Prime Minister can do, you suppose you are sick with that corona, he can't help you, you will die breathing. But Krishna can do anything. Krishna can do it. Recently somebody was calculating, whole world is almost standstill because of corona. One virus is so small, all the viruses together, including all the dose people's heart, lung, it is there. It is total 1 gram, that's all. How much virus is there on earth which has made earth stand still? Total on earth it is 1 gram only of this virus. 1 gram. So small it is. See Krishna's creation, कितना अद्भुत है. 1 ग्राम, कितना होता है माता जी 1 ग्राम? बहुत थोड़ा. 1 ग्राम है टोटल. कितना लोगों का शरीर में मिला मिलो के जितने लोग बीमार हैं, जितने मर गए, टोटल 1 ग्राम. कितना छोटा सूक्ष्म. हाँ, कृष्णा's क्रिएशन इतना 1 ग्राम, बस उतना है. भी पूरा दुनिया रुक गया है टोटल मिला के. एक नहीं, एक आदमी में करोड़, जितने लाखों लोग, अभी कितना लोग, 30 लाख लोग बीमार है. अभी करीब 1 लाख के ऊपर मर गया. ठीक है, सबका आप पूरा वायरस मिला के अगर इकट्ठा करके रखोगे, कितना लोग बीमार पड़ा है, कितना मर गया, मिला के 1 ग्राम. कितना अद्भुत है भगवान का क्रिएशन. और 1 ग्राम से दुनिया ताही बन के बैठा हुआ है. 1 ग्राम. दिस इज कृष्णा's क्रिएशन, इज सो विचित्र. एक्चुअली the mistake we are doing in retrospect is that we are fighting against the material nature. Prabhupada says we should not fight. Material nature is very powerful. It is so complex. You will get lost into the complexity. Just like even this virus has already 10 mutations. Already 10. It'll keep you, they were saying within 1 year or 6 months or 4 months we'll get out of vaccine. Within no time, resistance forms will start coming out. Resistance to the medicine. दूसरा वैक्सीन बना, अभी ये काम नहीं करता. जैसे एंटीबायोटिक लेते हैं, काम नहीं करता. Because what happened, within that virus there can be very variants. Just like say, simple examples I tell you. एक पिताजी के बच्चे होते हैं, सारे बच्चे एक से नहीं होते. His children are different. One is tall, one is short, one is black, one is white, one is fat, one is thin. Even here we see the father is having different traits. So same father is having different kind of children. They're all same. They are from the same species, but they're different. Now suppose you are killing all the black ones and all the white ones will remain. They're different. So similarly, the virus will have hundreds of variants. Now when you have got on medicine to kill say 90, 10 are still there. They will become prominent tomorrow. So this is fighting against material nature is never going to work. Rather, we should work in harmony with nature. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Patra Pushpa Phalam Toyam, take only these kind of food. We know one of the reasons this virus and so many other viruses have come, because these viruses are there in animal bodies. And they have come to human body, which is difficult to handle for us. We are not designed to handle that virus, correct? So why we cannot follow Krishna's instruction? They stopped that wet market in China where they sell all kind of wild animals. See, generally, we should not eat meat. And if you eat meat, people eat domesticated animals. In the Vedic culture, it is advised if you are eating meat eater, you eat only goat, chicken, like that. But these people start eating cows, which is very, very sinful. And not only that, they add up all kind of living entities. Everything they eat. चूहा, सांप, सब खाते हैं. That is called, they have a famous market, wet market. जब सब जानवर मिलता है, काट फूट के रेडी रहता है, जो खाना है खाओ. Now the point is that this is because you are acting against the nature. This will hit you. And you say, we will handle it. It is so complex, the whole humanity can't handle it. Prabhupada says we are trying to control the laws of the material nature, but we will get lost in the complexities. Why? See, these are all things that are designed by Brahma. All these viruses, blah, blah, blah. Whole humanity together doesn't have intelligence of Brahma. We can see that. They are stuck. See the design. 80% people infected by this virus don't even know they have it. Easily they can spread. They don't show any symptoms. They are infected. वो बीमारी नहीं होते, but spread करते हैं. But they're making other people sick, but they're not becoming sick. Correct? And if these kind of things, and it will have 15 days of latent time, if these kind of designs are there, how difficult it will be to fight with this virus. Correct? So difficulties will be there. So that we can appreciate. So one thing we can do is that we can chant Hare Krishna. Sincerely we chant the Harinama. But what happens when we chant Harinama? Because anyway, one day we have to go. See, we should not be disturbed. Srila Prabhupada also in front of him, many times various situations are there. The devotee is Ajata Shatravaha Shanta, very peaceful. So-called disturbance of the world doesn't disturb him. He is very shant, बहुत peaceful. So we should first thing not get agitated by all this. We should peacefully execute Krishna consciousness. Once there was some war time, so every house they put a siren, you have to close the windows, switch off the light. So Prabhupada kept the window open and light was on. He was peacefully sitting and having his meal. Yeah. And they said, Prabhupada. That time his name will be different. They, please close the window, some bomb will come. Prabhupada said, it's okay. No, what if the bomb comes? I'll take it as Krishna has come. The devotee is not agitated, it's very peaceful. His life is different. He peacefully does his activities depending on Krishna. Okay? Not that he walks the middle of the road, but it doesn't become extra anxiety. Okay, some precaution, but not that whole focus is on precaution. Like Parikshit Maharaj, he knew that death is going to come, there is some problem, but what he was absorbed? Was he thinking about snake? He did not think about snake for 1 minute. What he was doing? Relishing Bhagavatam. Correct? So similarly, it may, God forbid, maybe one of us may even die by this coronavirus. God forbid. We are not thinking about that. We are thinking, reading Bhagavatam, chanting Hare Krishna. We take precaution, but we are not going to take Ugra Karma for that. Prayasa, pura din bhai usi pe dhyan lagana hai. Basic precaution we take, and if still it has to come, it will come. We cannot do anything. Kya kar sakte hum log? We take it as Krishna's will. Hai na? If not this way, another way you will die. You are crossing road, what is the guarantee? Some vehicle, you are looking at that side. Vehicle sometimes come from opposite side. Wrong side it comes and hits you. Anything can happen. Some vehicle lose control sometimes. Sometimes somebody is traveling in a bus, the driver had a heart attack. Every step there is a danger in this world. Anything can happen. Even the most careful, intelligent man will be finished. So many people, rich people, boom. We think, they are big people. Now the biggest person of Mangalore, gone. All accounts are frozen. You know that? UAE, all accounts are frozen. Everybody is talking from top to bottom now. From bottom to top and top to bottom. It all happens. Punya shine punya marto lokam vishanti. Sometimes people become rich, they become very proud. You go to meet them, they don't even talk to you. Then shine punya marto lokam vishanti. Very soon they're punar mushika bhava. They become rat very soon. Because of the nature of this world. In this world things are going up and down. We take everything as the will of Krishna and be peaceful. And peacefully execute Krishna consciousness. And we should know who is fortunate. Even we can see in front of the eyes, the richest people in the world are dying. Because whole focus is on this virus now. Okay, let us use this also. Richest people in the world are dying of this virus. Big personalities. Hana? So, the point is that when you see a rich person, don't think he is fortunate. It's just a matter of days, he will be finished. And maybe a rat next life. But if you think of fortune, think of the fortune of Devaki. How fortunate she is. If you can think of her fortune of Devaki, if you can think of fortune of Yashoda, then you will try to go there. What do you think is the most fortunate position? We should be convinced that the most fortunate position is to become a great devotee like Devaki. The most fortunate position. Correct? That we can take. That is what should be our focus and meditation. If I can reach that situation. And therefore I have to practice sadhana sincerely. Then if I can become a devotee and I can see Krishna face to face, and like Mother Devaki is offering prayers here, I can offer some prayers to Krishna. Srila Prabhupada